Hi, I'm Sutter here with C Trains, and I see trains and show them to you. Today we're taking a quick look at the Ashtabula Carson Jefferson Railroad. The AC&J starts up in Norfolk Southern's Carson Yard on the Norfolk Southern Youngstown line, and now terminates in Jefferson, Ohio. It used to extend further south, but now that part of the line's abandoned. It also used to operate passenger excursion trains from 1991 to 2014, but now this railroad only operates freight. Fun fact, I used to ride on the AC&J back when I was real little. Okay, that's enough blabbering on about the history of this line. Let's begin. Well, there we have it.
Here's the 107 on this side.
Here we have AC&J 107 and Alco S2 that was abandoned a couple years ago. 107. I used to ride on this engine a lot.
Seat bearings.
Oh, wow.
It's not even on the tracks.
Oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, what was this? What was this car carrying? Newspapers?
It's not even on the track.
Is it not on the track?
No.
Old Conrail. And up here we got 107. One of the most notable Alcos you could ever see. Oh, and we're not trespassing. This is just a trail.
I can't believe this locomotive has actually a lot of history. It was originally a nickel plate road locomotive.
This one was?
Yeah, this one was.
Yeah.
What was it about?
I want to climb on it so bad.
Yeah.
What was it, an Alco S3?
Oh wow, this thing is barely on the tracks too.
Don't get close. You don't know if there's bees or... Nico, don't.
Oh, it's the last. Oh wait.
Okay, never mind.
Do you hear that old bell?
I kind of want to ring it.
Yeah, let's not stir up the bees.
Yep.
Yeah, this is our baggage car. We're here on the old AC&J line. Here's a passenger coach. Well, not passenger coach, a baggage car. And if you look closely over there, there's 107 who used
P5?
Poop 5.
Oh, yeah, there's a rail right there.
The paper mill's down this way.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can see they have their yard. Look, they have a track that's going on to that kind of, how do I explain it? Look, it kind of just goes into the weeds.
Oh geez, what happened to this side? Is that an engine fire? Something happened.
No.
Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.